Hey guys, it's Donna Coker with Donna Coker's A Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and I'm cutting a couple of soaps today, and I just thought I would bring you along. Haven't done any making videos recently because I've been making a lot of soaps, and I've been trying to do that pretty swiftly back to back, and I just haven't taken the time to set up a video. But this is a couple of limited editions I just threw together, and I wanted to try out some scents, so we're going to cut those and see what we came up with. The first one is Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow, I think it's called, and these bars are going to be a little bigger than my normal bars because I did use pumpkin embeds on the top. So let's go ahead and see how this one turned out. Okay, not bad. It's kind of cute. The bottom's going to darken up. As you can see, it's already started a little bit. It'll look more like the side when it's done getting darker. So you got the little pumpkin embed on top with some orange mica and a little bit of glitter. And it smells good. Smells good. So let's continue cutting and see what we get. Okay, yeah. I knew that some of the dark dropped down into the next layer because I wasn't waiting for it to, I have to move this a little. I wasn't waiting for it to set up before I did it. Because I thought it would look cute. And it does. It kind of drops down in. It's kind of cute, kind of cute. Let's see where we are with this cutter here. I have to close one eye to see what's going on here. I'm going to lose probably a tiny bit of that pumpkin. That's okay. And I lost a little bit of him. He'll be okay. I really should be wearing my glasses when I'm doing this. But I am not. So there you go. Yeah, little pumpkin. Got a little piece of them there. I actually put those embeds too close together right there, but I was determined to get 10 pumpkins on this soap, and I got 10. That's for sure. So yeah. Very nice. So we've just had so much going on in the family, trying to get all of this done, and both of my in-laws are having health issues, so you know, that's stressful on my husband, and it comes with its own set of stressors. So just taking the time to get the soap done has been a challenge, but I'm doing it. I'm getting it done. So, and again, this is just a limited edition soap that I did to test out that fragrance. It's a nice fragrance. It's not overpoweringly strong, but it's a very nice fragrance, and it did hold up through it's a bonification, so what more can you ask for? All right, let's move these aside and we'll do the next one. The next one is Brazilian coffee and pure cane. Now, I really don't know how that turned out. Certainly don't. But we are about to find out. And let me set my gauge back to where we need to be here. All right. Spray my hands. Make sure I get all that scent off of it before I move on to the next one here. So it's October 1st. And it's 90-something degrees outside here in Georgia. So, yeah. We have a pool in our neighborhood for our community here. And the pool is still open, so yeah, it's okay, that turned out kind of cute. I like that. I love that. Yeah. Anything that remotely pertains to a coffee scent. That's my jam. Yeah, I really like that. Put a very light layer on top with the coffee grounds. And I did like just a bronze on top. I don't know if you could see it really well for the top. It's kind of like a caramel look. So, thought that was really cute. Oh yeah, and this brown is going to darken up. The darker brown is going to get really dark. So, yeah, that's going to look really good. I like it when it gets really, really, really dark. And I don't want you know, you can't use too much cocoa powder because it'll bleed, and or when the water hits it, it's so. And sometimes I do use a lot of cocoa powder because I like it. Even when I bathe with it, I like it. So, and yes, we do use my soaps. Right now we are using Santa's Christmas Cream because we kind of go through the end pieces, and that's the end piece that we're on at the moment. So, but yeah, this turned out very nice. I like it. And it's a different scent from our Java Mocha Dream, which is my very favorite coffee scent. And it's from a different fragrance supplier. You know, I'm trying out some fragrances right now from Aztec, just to see how I like them. And there's a few of them that are just outstanding that I've tried so far. I haven't tried all of them. The blueberry vanilla smells really, really good. But of course, this color is really, really bad. So you have to account for that because of the vanillin in it. Vanillin, whatever you want to call it. Like I said before, I'm from the South. We say nillin. So I call it vanillin. But that's, you know, no one is correct. It's said both ways. In the South, we tend to say we use colloquialisms. Yeah, that's what we do. And I really like that I did the top on this one with a spoon, and it kind of has peaks and valleys, and I like that. Reminds me of a frothy coffee. So, yeah. So I'm going to be making more soap today, and I'm going to be packaging and labeling soap for the launch of the new website and the new Facebook page. And I finally got my Instagram account back and settled, so I haven't had a chance to do anything on it because I've just been busy. Turn it this way so you can see the little pattern. And my son's been sick. He has bronchitis really bad, so we've been to the doctor, and we're on 4 different prescriptions and an inhaler, and he's not happy with that. But you know how bronchitis is. It will drag on and drag on and drag on. My oldest son had it last year, and he's 31, and his turned into pneumonia. So that we do not want to happen. But anyway, thank you for joining me to cut these 2 soaps. And I did go ahead and try again with the blueberry vanilla, and this time I made some adjustments to account for discoloration, and so hopefully that works out well. And I hate to just keep doing cutting videos, but I may do a cutting video of that just so you guys can see what I worked out with it, and I'm curious to see it myself. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I hope you'll watch some others, and I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do and you hit the little bell, you'll get a notification when we upload videos. And once we launch, I hope you'll visit us at acherrybloom.com or on Facebook at acherrybloom or Instagram acherrybloom. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.